All right, everybody, Russ Henneberry back here with the landing pages execution plan. And in this step, let's take a look at, some ways to build landing pages, and in this case, squeeze pages like this one. You remember in this module, we're talking exclusively about landing pages that are squeeze pages. So earlier on, I talked about how, the production quality or the quality of the design and the layout of your landing page is going to have an impact. It's not going to be nearly as important as having a great lead magnet. So that's why I recommend you go take that lead magnets execution plan. And it's not going to be as important as writing great copy or text on the page that's compelling and explains your offer well, which we'll go over in the next video. But the production quality is important. Like, you're going to see conversions go up or down based on the layout, the design, the button colors, all of those kinds of things. So the easiest thing to do is to use a landing page builder like Lead Pages or Optimize Press. So I'm going to walk through both of those and show you a few things. So once you get into a system like Lead Pages, you're going to pick something. When you're building a squeeze page, you're going to pick opt-in. Okay, so these are opt-in forms, also known as, or opt-in pages, also known as squeeze pages. So you can see that there's all these different types of opt-in pages that you can pick. Right, so you've got this one that's a survey squeeze. You've got your super basic squeeze right here. It's just a headline with an opt-in box. You got this one that's great for it's all set up for AdWords traffic, so it's compliant with Google AdWords. So anyway, you can see that there's all these different types of squeeze pages you can use to build a page like this one, where there's no distractions on the page. There's really nothing else to do except either opt in or exit the page. So the other tool that you could choose to use besides Lead Pages, okay, so Lead Pages is great, but you could also buy Optimize Press to build really high converting. These pages have been tested, all right, and they're tested and they have good solid design behind them, and they're easy to use. So that's why we use a page builder. Even though at Digital Marketer, we could be building these pages custom, we don't, because it's just a lot easier to use something like Optimize Press or Lead Pages. So we go into something like Optimize Press, all right? And in this case, we're using the theme, the Optimize Press theme, but there's also, when you buy Optimize Press, the option to use Optimize Press as a plugin on your WordPress site, so that you don't have to use Optimize Press as the whole theme for your blog. You can use whatever theme on your WordPress site that you want, and then use the Optimize Press plugin to add Optimize Press pages in the almost the exact same way I'm going to do it right here. But in this case, we're using the Optimize Press theme. We just go to Page Builder. So we're going to build a page, and you would give the page a name and where you want it to live, the link or the URL. And then if you tell it you want to use a template, it's going to give you a whole bunch of options, just like we had over here in Lead Pages, only we're using a different tool here called Optimize Press. And so again, you're looking in here and you see you're looking for, so here's some sales pages, here's some webinar pages. All right, what you're looking for are opt-in pages or squeeze pages, and that's what we've got right here. So opt-in pages. So you see here all these different proven designs that you can just select and use to build your opt-in page or your squeeze page. And that's how we make sure that we have high converting design and layout on our pages, is we use a page builder like Lead Pages or Optimize Press.